In this video, we'll cover the network analyzer capability in the rich client. So we have the whatever modules we want to include in the analysis loaded in the network. And we're going to go to Tools, Analyze Network. And you can just take this option without the directed graph. Click OK. And the rich client will generate this network analysis that gives you the number of nodes, number of edges, a lot of other statistics that you may or may not find useful. So the primary use here is that it simply gives me a count of the number of nodes and edges, and I can use that in comparison to other applications that I'm analyzing, especially if I create maybe a sub, a set of assets that I'm going to focus on for a specific project, just to get a count of those modules or elements would be useful in terms of sizing the effort. So that's it. You can see that when this analysis is done, you wind up with a number of other columns in the table here. Again, those may or may not be of interest or helpful in your analysis.